Nailed it. Today is Tuesday, November 27th, and I am doing a remembrance manicure for my sister who passed away a year ago. I'm having a really hard time today, so please be patient with me and understand in case I do start crying. On my hands, I have, of course, first my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. Mine and Kelly's favorite color was purple, so that's what I have on my paws. Two coats with a coat of Curl FX on top of it, and I've let them dry for quite a while because I was having trouble with bleeding problems with the white. My stuff would turn purple. So I've let them dry for probably about an hour now, and hopefully that will take care of it turning purple. I'm going to be using this stamping plate. It is made by Born Pretty. It is BPL-032, and I'm going to be using Born Pretty stamping polish, Born Pretty scraper, Beauty Big Bang stamper, my lint roller, of course. My sister, she passed away in her sleep, thank God, but she had a heart attack. So that has me worried because she did have heart problems and we were 2 years apart. I find this image really, really pretty. I just really love this tree, and I know she would too. Christmas was our favorite time of the year. Oh, goodness. I'm sorry I can't see right now. Ugh. And there we go on this Christmas tree. Oh, lordy. I have to take my wrapper off my lint roller. It's really good, but whatever. It is what it is. I'll move on to the next image, and I don't have this planned out too well other than that Christmas tree on my ring finger. Let's see, what else would she like? We loved the snow when we were kids, so I'm going to have some snowflakes. We have some stubborn things that don't want to come off the stamper that I definitely don't want included in the image. There we go with that one. Have to do some cleanup on that one. Let me grab the tape. See if I can get this off my skin. Sorry, I forgot to shut my phone off. Looking at my baby finger, I am going to do one of the Christmas, well, let me see. I'm going to do one of the bells. Forgot to clean my stamper. Always clean your stamper in between each image. Line it up center on your nail and stamp. There we are so far. Okay, I'm going to do my thumb next. That's my longest nail. I think I'm going to do some of the snowflakes on here. That turned out really nice. I'm sure my sister would love this so far with the purple and the white. I am going to leave. I do top coat this with a Born Pretty no smudge top coat, which I'm just going to wait for a little bit before I do that. I'm just so worried it's going to turn purple on me. I got my index finger left to do. I think I'm going to do the snowman. We used to love building snowmen when we were little. So she would love that. And there we go. There are my piggies. My Christmas purple manicure for my sister Kelly. My snowflakes. This turned out really super cute and it is so easy to do. I hope everybody understands why I did this, and if you don't, then I guess, oh well, I don't know. I hope you are having a better day than I am today. I will get through this. I know it. I'm just part of my grieving process, I guess. It's been 1 year today since we got that phone call. And today's just really hard for me. If you're a new subscriber, my emotionalist is not normally the content of my videos. But I ask that you still subscribe anyways. Click the bell for all future videos, and my followers, my subscribers that have been there, I know you understand. I'm going to apply my no smudge top coat and pray that it doesn't turn purple. Normally I would cap my nails with this, but I'm only wearing this manicure for today. And I will be top coating this with my regular off camera. Since my phone did ring, it's my mom, so I do have to go. Have a blessed day, and I thank you very much. Love you all.